Hello, welcome to Coding Everywhere YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install Python on a Windows 10 machine 64 bits. I will install Python 2.7. So I went to www.google.com, I type download Python, I hit Google search, I will look for an option for Python 2.7, so I will say here more results from python.org, and I find it. Python 2.7.15. I'm selecting it. Now I will look for the installer for the Windows 64 bits. Is this one. Click on it. It's being downloaded. Okay, the download is completed. So I have Python 2.7.15 AMD downloaded. So I have it here. I will double click on it and select mostly the defaults. Install for all users, that's fine. Installing Python 2.7, I have that folder, so it will probably ask me to overwrite. It did. I will say yes, please overwrite it. Next. Now all options are selected and it says add Python exe to path. Well, you have this option mostly for users that have different versions of Python and they want to select them. I just want this one to be inside the path. I will do next. Python is being installed. Is done. I hit finish. So at this moment I'm just testing. So I should have Python in the path. If I type Python should start, so it is the command prompt and I can type Python command. I will type the print command, so print hello friends with exclamation sign. So print will take different object. It is a string object here, so it will just print it. If I type exit, it will exit from the Python command prompt. I can have a program, I can execute a program, so I have here an empty program.py file. .py is the extension for Python files, and I will type the same print command, well, slightly different, but not much. So I will say hello. I will print three objects in sequence. Hello, a space, and then friends. Okay, and I will put an exclamation sign. I will save the file and I can run this program by typing Python and in the command line the name of the program. So this is program.py. Most of the time Windows will detect that a file with the extension py requires Python. So if I just type program.py, will execute the same program. So in this video I show you how to install Python on a Windows 10 machine and show you how to write very simple programs with them. Now you are ready to write more complex programs. Thank you very much.